Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new segment of Uncle Strib's Adventures, just my Uncle Strib's YouTube channel. We're going to be calling this Chef Strib first episode. And what I'm going to try to do once a week. I'm going to find a recipe online or maybe an idea recipe that I come up with or something. I'll let you know if it's an original recipe or if I found it online. And I want to start doing recipes and cooking. I actually enjoy cooking and I want to just do a video where I just have a whole playlist, different recipes I've tried and things that I've liked. I say if I don't like them, and also I'm going to write all these recipes down. I'm a recipe book I'm going to have for myself when it comes to cooking. So I don't have a lot of things right now, but I do have some chicken and a potato. And so we're just going to do a loaded chicken baked potato for today's video. So all I'm gonna do, I guess I'll just run this as a full video and then just clip it. So anyway, I have chicken breast. Here's just leftover chicken I had in the freezer, thawed out. And I was trying to think of what I was gonna do tonight for dinner. And I was like, you know what? I got chicken and a potato. And I actually like to measure my stuff because I log it, because I count my calories. So we have a 15-ounce potato, and then we're actually going to cook up both these chicken breasts in here, and I'll just leave it in the Ziploc bag because Ziploc bag's like barely any ounces. This is about 12.5 ounces of chicken. All right, and so what we're going to do is, so we won't be needing the cutting board till later, actually. You see my nice Pizza Hut apron. So all we're going to do for the chicken is we're gonna use a cast iron skillet for the chicken. I've seasoned it, so I got the oil in there. It's not hot yet. I haven't turned the stove on, but we'll go ahead. We're gonna turn the stove on about a medium heat, all right? Because with chicken, you wanna make sure you cook it very, very, very thoroughly. I believe internal temperatures, let me actually look up. So internal temperatures you want to get to, it needs to be get to at least 180 degrees for chicken breasts. Chicken cuts, I believe it's like 160. Again, fact check that because I'm not 100% sure on those numbers. But we're going to put it up to a medium heat. So I'm going to go right at 5. Now, while that's heating up, I got some vegetable oil. These are the only 3 seasons I really use when it comes to my chicken. So all I'm going to do is do a small layer vegetable oil here at the bottom. Get that all around. And then I'm gonna grab the chicken, throw it in there. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put this back. Y'all didn't see that. I'm gonna put a layer of seasoning at the bottom. So we got some seasoning, and it just has salt, paprika, rice flour, spices, sugar, onion, garlic, and calcium concentrate. I think that's just a non-caking agent. So then we'll add some salt, and we'll add some black pepper. Okay, now we'll add the chicken. Just like that. All right. Then, oh yeah, hold up. I gotta do it right. Y'all. We gotta throw the towel over the shoulder. All right. Just like that, right? Okay. Then we're gonna actually add another layer of oil on top. Just a little, nothing crazy, because we actually have oil in the cast iron skillet, so we don't need a lot. But this is just gonna help with spreading out this. So then we're gonna do a layer on top of the pepper. I don't want a lot of salt because the season it all, or the all season all, or seasoned salt. Some brands call seasoned salt. I grew up with seasoned salt. This is seasoned all, same difference. But this has salt in it. And then we're just gonna do that. Bam, so it's like a wet dry rub. Again, I'm not a professional, so some of my own terminology I use is not actual terminology. And then we're gonna shake it up just like that. Bam. All right. So now the chicken is ready. All right, so now we're over here. So this is what the chicken looks like. So we got the sauces and the juiciness evened out there. So now, okay, y'all can ignore this. And then we're just going to place, is this a good angle? Yeah. I'm just gonna place the chicken in here. Just like that. All right. All right. So as you guys can tell, I don't have a very big cast iron skillet, but this is the bad boy I be cooking with. Okay. Now, while the chicken is on the cast iron skillet, that's cooking, we're gonna take the baked potato. I don't bake my baked potatoes. I've actually found it is 10 times easier to just wrap it in a paper towel, put it on a plate, like so. Ignore my dishes, please. And then we're just gonna soak it in water. I'll even leave water in the plate, right? And then we're just gonna put this in the microwave, just like that. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna time it to where when the chicken is about 9.5, so with a big potato like that, about 15 ounces, you wanna set the microwave on high. You wanna set the microwave on high, and you're gonna set it for 9.5 minutes. That gets it nice and soft, and it's like a fresh baked potato. So that means we wanna get the chicken when it's about 9.5 minutes away from being done. We'll start the microwave, and that way they'll both be done at the same time. I actually might wait a little bit because I want these to get done because I'm going to cut up the chicken. Normally, if I'm just eating chicken breast, I'll just get them done at the same time. We're good. But since I'm going to cut these up and put it in the baked potato, then I actually want these to get done a little earlier and then start it. So while I'm cutting it, the baked potato is still being cooked. So also what I like to do, get me a little spoon and get some of that on top, just like that. All right. Now remember, we're at medium heat right now, but I'm gonna continue to cook. There we go. Look at that. Oh, it smells fantastic. All right. So we only have a few minutes left on the chicken, but it's gonna be very important. We're gonna need some butter. We're gonna need some shredded cheese. And then we're also, that is an old lemon. We're also going to need some bacon bits as well as some steak sauce. So once the chicken is done, we're gonna bring out our handy dandy cutting board. Chop up the chicken. We'll have the baked potato come out right on time. Then, what's vitally important is you want the potato, you want to make sure the chopping of the chicken is done first. You want the potato fresh out of the microwave, because as you load in the butter and the cheese into the potato, you want the heat from the potato to melt the cheese and melt the butter, and it's all going to merge, and the flavors are going to get deep into the potato. So we're almost done. I'm thinking that I will probably start the microwave here probably the next 4 or 5 minutes. Let the microwave run, and then I'll cut back. I'll cut back for you guys once I'm into chopping the chicken. Once I get the chicken on the cutting board. All right. The chicken is ready. So we're gonna throw the chicken on the cutting board. Oh, it smells fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. All right. So all we're gonna do is start cutting up the chicken. My next video, I'm gonna get those black latex gloves that the professionals be wearing, so I can feel official. I think this is about as fine as I want to cut it, at least for now. All right, take off the fat. All right, perfect. And then we'll go ahead and cut this bad boy up. Perfect. Just like that. Okay, so the chicken is cut. So this is the chicken we got right here. The smell is starting to make me hungry. All right, so now we got 4 minutes left on the potato, and then we'll start dressing that bad boy and throw it on a plate. Okay, so I had to put the potato back in the microwave for a few more minutes because it wasn't quite ready, but I just put it in for like two more minutes. So now we're gonna make an incision here. Still hot, as you can see. Oh, you want to open that bad boy up. Now, I want to add my salt. Not a lot, just a little sprinkle here. And I want to add my pepper in there, just like that. I like to add my salt and pepper at the base. And then I'm going to do about, I don't know how much this is, but I guess about a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons, like that. And then from there, you want to take the cheese and put it over the butter. Use whatever cheese you want, obviously. I prefer just some regular cheese. Just like that. All right, now here's the tricky part, because as you see, that's a lot of cheese. But that cheese is gonna melt. Now, we want to take the chicken and just push it. There we go, get in there. We can even actually break this up a little bit with the knife to get it to open up some more. And then add some more chicken. Don't worry, I cleaned my counter before I started. Get some more chicken in there. So now it's full. And then we'll take these excess chickens, the little chickies. It's all about presentation, right? We'll put some right here. All right. Okay. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to add a little bit of bacon on top of the chicken. Like that. And then I'm going to top it off again with some more cheese. Like that. All right. Okay. Not bad for Chef Strib's first time. Now, the pizza de resistance. Shake this bad boy up. Then we're just going to gently, just like that. And then we'll get this excess chicken here. Oh yeah, just like that. Bam. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a loaded chicken baked potato, cheese, butter, bacon bits, chicken topped or sauced with some steak sauce. Look at that. Look at that. And I tried some chicken earlier. It was absolutely fantastic. Let me get this one right here. Delicious. And so thank you all for making it this far with me in my first video. Hopefully there's more to come and I can come with recipes. And those of y'all that know me, I'm a lemonade connoisseur. This is my hand squeezed lemonade that I make myself. I actually sell my own lemonade, vitamin C lemonade, here locally in San Antonio at the Blend Nutrition Gym, 8058 Vantage Drive, San Antonio, Texas, 78230. If you guys want to check that out, pre-ordered lemonade. I love lemonade. I have to have lemonade with every not every meal, but with dinner. Every night for dinner, I have to have lemonade. My own hand squeezed lemonade. It's fantastic. I also love other brands, but I make my own now because that's how much I love lemonade. But again, if you guys like this video, comment, like, subscribe, whatever, the usual YouTube rant. But also send me recipes, send me ideas. I obviously am a big meat guy, pause. So I like, chicken, pork, elk, steaks. I mean, it doesn't matter. So I kind of want to specialize in a lot of recipes dealing with that. But let me know what you guys, throw me things in the comments. I'll write stuff down and I might get to it in the video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.